Right here we're having a rewire done, and it's oops. Yeah, we're having a rewired HMO. About 6 beds. Yeah, 5-6 beds thereabout. So we're having a fire alarm installed as well. So we're planning to move the consumer unit there. In that corner, and the fire alarm panel is going in the corner over there. So yeah, we start emergency lights and then PIR sensors to control the communal items. That's the lounge here. So we're gonna have a smoke detector, a pendant light there, a couple of sockets here. Yeah, this is another lounge just for the residents. That door probably be changed. Manual call point going there, smoke detector, just basic like that. And the kitchen area here, so that's been merged. It's gonna be open plan now. Just open up these two areas into one. It's an exit here, so we have a call point there as well. The heat detector is going here, and then we're gonna have a new kitchen. So that's the ground floor. I'll just stop at the first floor, and then because we have the top floor as well. So basically, you got the basement as well, but I'm not going there. Slap that in there. Yeah, on this floor, that's the smallest room. So basic pendant light there, and then smoke detector going here, emergency light on the landing with the PIR sensor. That's the shower now. Just 3 down lights, extractor fan, isolator, that's that. Here's just the room. Then have one just light point, and then a couple of sockets, and then smoke detector. Yeah, that's another room. Same thing happens in all the rooms really, basically, just the lights, a couple of sockets, and then the smoke detector. Then you have 2 rooms on the top floor. I'm not gonna go up there now. That's the biggest room actually on the show. So this is the biggest room. So the same thing basically, really just a couple of sockets here as well, lights, and then smoke detector. So the fire sections, the zones, it's each floor. What I've done is each floor will be a different zone. So we have 4 zones: the basement, and then the ground floor, this floor, and then the top floor. So 4 zones, 4-zone fire alarm panel system. And yeah, there is another shower bath upstairs actually, so with 2 bedrooms. You're probably going to see that later in the course of the project. So that's what I've got for you now. It's keeping me busy. And then thanks to Alan, the cameraman.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you later.